This is the hybrid vehicle systems using the renewable energy. Here we have used solar energy and wind energy. This one vehicle is use solar energy and vehicle energy, and it's take the decision about which energy is available, and according to that it will be connected to the battery to the vehicle. This is the wireless remote. With the help of this remote, we can turn on off the power supply of this vehicle, and with the help of this remote, we can move the forward, reverse, left, and right this vehicle. So in short, this vehicle, it is called as a carless vehicle. We can say that the driverless vehicles. It is the renewable energy based vehicle. It does not require any kind of the petrol kind of the energy, and it is completely based on electrical vehicle. It is called as electrical vehicle also, because we have used solar energy and wind energy. Both the energy are free, and with the help of these windmills, it will be generate 12 volts and 1000 milliampere current. And this is the solar. It is generated 12 volt and 1000 milliampere current. So this one, both the energy which will charge the battery, and this is the battery. On this battery, these vehicles will be moved either and either. I will explain how does it work. The remote control. The first of all, so you have to switch on this remote control, and then you can start the demo of this project. Charging unit and inverter units. It's provided to logic to this microcontrollers, and according to that, microcontrollers will take the decision. If solar energy is available, then LCD will show the solar energy is available, and vehicle is started on solar energy. If wind energy are available, then this message will be displayed on this vehicle. So here you can see, the first of all, I will generate the wind energy. So then wind energy will be displayed on this screen. So it will be show the wind energy is available now. So now in this way, this one vehicle recognize the wind energy and solar energy. Wireless vehicle. So this is the remote. If you press this button, then it will be goes to forward. Now next move. So this is the back circuit of this project. It is indicate the solar and wind energy. So when we focus, then this LED will be glowed. So you can see there it is indicate that this one LED will be glow here. When this one light is absent, then this indicator will be off. You can see there, this one light will be off. So I will show you again. So here, this one indicator light is available. So next is wind. So when wind is moved, you can see here, this light will be blue. Okay, sure, again. So you can see there light will be blue. So in this way, this project is 100% work. Thank you.